In Component.Studio, you can export designs directly to the virtual tabletop Playtest Parlor for playing your games online. Open the design you want to export and select the Export menu. Choose Bulk Export. After selecting the components to export, scroll down and open the Playtest Parlor dropdown. If this is your first time exporting to Playtest Parlor, you will need to connect your accounts before exporting. Select Connect to Playtest Parlor. Complete any sign-in or approval requirements to complete the connection. With your accounts connected, additional options appear in the Playtest Parlor Export section. If the game and component already exist, you can select them here and Component.Studio will rewrite the existing files. For this example, we'll select the Butterfly Effect game and choose Create New Component. Name the new component and select Start Export. When the export completes, a success message appears. Click the View in Playtest Parlor link to go directly to the game in Playtest Parlor and review the imported files. This link brings you to the game's landing page. Select Import Pieces and select the corresponding Current Pieces tile. Here you'll see the name of the component that we entered. You can select it to view the individual files. Now, if you want to make changes, you can make the changes here in Playtest Parlor, or simply run the export from Component.Studio again with the game and the component selected in the Playtest Parlor options, and that'll overwrite these items with the new export. If you have questions or want to get connected to other Component.Studio designers, join one of our communities on Facebook, Discord, Reddit, or here on YouTube. This has been Andrew Voigt with Component.Studio. Now get out there and make some great games.